Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please welcome. I just want to take 2 seconds to say massive thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel, and also to the new lovely ladies that joined my Facebook group. I just want to say thank you so much to all of you. In particular, massive thank you to Shannon and Lisa, because they are super sweet. Feel free to join my Facebook group, guys, because it's a really live interaction platform when all of you guys share projects as well as myself. So yeah, I put a little link in the info box, so I will appreciate if you guys join us over there as well. So today I'm so excited. Last week or Christmas in July, guys, I feel a bit sad because I love Christmas, and this year we don't know what's going to happen, so I thought let's make the most out of it in July at least. Right, so hidden paper clips, as you can see from the title. I've got 2 already made, which I'll show you in just a second. I'm just looking at the window because in Sheffield it's very cloudy. Well, this morning was sunny, like literally sunny, it looks like summer, and now it's cloudy, and I put my washing outside, and I don't want to post the video and then go and get my washing and put them back in, because I won't be bothered. I might just leave them outside. If they get a bit wet, doesn't matter. No, I'm joking, I probably have to go, but I'm hoping it won't rain. Right, so hidden paper clips. What's hidden paper clips? Hidden paper clips are little surprise paper clips. They're literally hidden just like that, so you can't see them. And the beautiful things about those things, they work as bookmarks as well. So this is a mini notebook I made in my recent loaded envelope video. In case you missed it, I will put a link in here and also at the bottom in the info box so you guys can see it. So just get a page. So how it works, you just literally slide it into your page there. It's, what am I doing? Oh yes, because I'm catching 3 pages, that's why. So you just simply slide it just like that, and then I mean I put some tassel. You saw me making this when I did the G-Care paper kit collaboration, and again, if in case you missed, I will put the link here in the corner but also in the bottom, so when you finish this video you can go back and have a look. So that's one page, and then the back you just turn it, and you got, I put a little pocket in there, so you've got 2 mini little teeny tiny little ephemeras. I love this one with the little pockets in there. So that's the front, and then this is pretty simple. Now as you can see, the front is longer than the back, but you can do vice versa. You can make the front longer and the back shorter. It doesn't really matter, because once they're in, you see, you're only gonna see that, and then the back. I think they're really super cute. Okay, I love paper clips. As you can see, I'm obsessed. I've done all different tutorials, and I decide I'm gonna create a playlist here on YouTube. So I put all my paper clips video into one playlist, so you guys can go and have a look, and I put this playlist at the end of the video. How to make these gorgeous hidden paper clips. Get my scraps, because that's the whole point, using scraps. So I probably showed you this before. 99p from a charity shop, and there's a little box on the shape of a book, but it's magnetic. See, let me take this off, so it keeps it shut. I'm probably going to use some of this red since it's Christmas. I do like the craft. No, let's go for red. And then from inside, is that big enough? Yeah, let's use up this blue here. I do like, don't know about you guys, I do like turquoise for Christmas projects as well. For me, this sort of color, I know is a cold color. To me, this color is very warm, because it reminds me of Italy and the sea, summertime, the waves of the sea, and there's a lot of people eating ice cream, and it just gives me that warmness. I know it's a cold color, but anyway, Antonio, shush, shush, shush. We're gonna use some of the, in fact, let's use some of that. Oh, glitter. What did I see? Might use some of that, might not. That's it. The good things about this project is that you can use anything that you like. So I'm going to, let's use, I quite like the scallop one. So I'm going to use this scissor here to cut the shape of the paper clip. So as you can see, not doing anything, I'm not measuring anything, not doing anything straight. I'm not cutting, it's actually anything but straight, but it doesn't matter. That's the fun of this project. And this is an amazing scrap buster, because you can read all these little bits and pieces that you wouldn't normally use up. Okay, so that's the main body of our paper clip. So what you do, you just fold it in half. So that's the outside. Let me get rid, I'll probably save that for another project. I really want to use this one, so I cut a little piece. I think that's big enough. I like these scallop scissors, remind me of cookies. Yeah, I might do that because I've got I've used for those two as well. These are part of the tailor-made journals classical Christmas digital set. You saw me using this in the beginning of the week when not last week, sorry, when I've done the loaded envelope, which is what the this is coming from, so that's part of the kit. So I'm going to use that. So what I might do, yeah, I might do that on the front, and maybe, where's the music thing? I just use that. In fact, might as well just cut it now. Before we decorate it though, let's do the inside bit. Am I in shot? Yeah. Am I filming? Yes. Sometimes happen to me, guys. I start talking to myself, blah 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 blah, get to literally halfway through and oops, forgot to press play. Never mind. Right. Yes. Yeah, I like that. So before we do that, we need to do the inside bit. So I've got my little tea towel. So you simply trim a piece of another piece of cardstock that is pretty much the same size of the one on the outside. It's got to be a bit smaller because you're not supposed to see it, but you can make it visible if you want to and decorate the inside bit as well as the outside bit, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we get paper clip. This is my tab of colorful paper clip. They are, oh no, they're so old. I ripped the labels, I don't know. Is it an inch? So they're this kind of small one, aren't they? So what you do, you simply, so that's a piece of paper, or cardstock actually. Doesn't matter what color of the paper clip because you won't see it. So position the paper clip straight. It's got to stay straight, guys. And it's got to stay exactly in the middle of the cardstock. And then you get your glue. I'm using my Mod Podge. And what you do, guys, you cover it, both sides with the glue. One. I love using the brush when I use my glue. I just find it easier and quicker. And then at the end I just give a quick rinse and off you go. I use cheap paintbrushes for this sort of when I use the Mod Podge or any glues, to be fair. So anyway, so glue on both sides. you need to push it straight up to the half line when it's folded in a half, and then now you've got to press it. So you need to make sure that it's attached properly attached. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it for a couple of minutes and then be right back. Okay, so once they're totally dry, you've got to be a bit patient. I mean, I'm the most impatient person, but get the glue, and now we can decorate it. So we said that we're using her and a piece of music. Is that music not paper? It's got a bit of sellotape, but it doesn't matter. That's like that. Are the notes right? Oh, I'm having a moment now. Have we got up or down? Oh well, too late. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna put it like that. And then she's probably gonna go there. Put some glue. This is a mixture of my very cheap glue I got from Poundland. I think it's a PVA glue, and a tiny bit of Mod Podge. And I use this because I've got 2 tabs. I use this for everything that I need to glue that don't require to be a nice glue, if it makes sense. So anything when I glue for stuff like that, I use that glue, and then for proper gluing, I use Mod Podge, if it makes sense. Then we're going to put the silver, shiny silver paper. Should put it in there. Just need to press it down a tiny bit, just for a few seconds. It's almost dinner time. I am absolutely starving. Got some bagels yesterday. So I work every other weekend. So yesterday, before I finished, I got some bagel. I love bagels. So I'm very looking forward to that. And for this, I'm going to use a Mod Podge because this paper, this glittery paper, is a nightmare. So normal glue won't work. Yeah. Close that. Let's close that. And then on here, there is a bit of water and a bit of fairy liquid. And what I do, on this tea towel, I spray. And then on here, I got a tiny bit of alcohol. Spray. Need to top it up actually. Spray that, spray that. The brush is brand new. And that's it, and goes back in there. Little, not a tip, but that's what I do. Get rid of this rubbish. That goes back in a box. That goes back in a box. I'm learning to tidy up as I go, so it saves me half an hour when we finish. Right, so let's put some finishing touches. Gilda is back. Gilding Wax, Pebeo, Renaissance Gold, Obsessed. Look. It's almost gone. I'm hoping it will last until the end of the year, and then buy a new one in January. It normally lasts me a year, but I'm using it a lot recently. So simply do it with the tip of your finger. Got that, and then on this side. I will probably stick with this Renaissance Gold because they have a few different type of gold. You got the proper traditional gold that is very clean gold, if you know what I mean, like the ring, the jewelry gold that is very shiny. I don't really like that. I prefer more like a dirty old gold. That's why I picked this. It's called Renaissance Gold. Okay. A bit on there just to clean my finger. Okay, let's Let's check it's probably dry. Yes. Notebook. Get a page. And what you simply do, guys, it should be dry. Yes. You slide it in. And that's it. And that's the hidden paper clip. It's the front. That's the back. Again, you can do anything, guys. I put some tassels and some little, being Christmas, I put a little jingle bell. You put my angel. Anything. You can pull tassels. You can pull fabrics. You can put beads. Anything. Literally, guys, anything. Got some vintage folk stamps I made. You can make that as maybe another one on the bottom as like a little hanging decoration. Literally, you can do anything, and I will definitely make some more these hidden paper clips in the next few weeks, but not just for the Christmas theme, but anything. Right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, a big gold thumbs up, because please it will support the channel and will support this video, because you tell YouTube that you like my content. Don't forget to join me on my Facebook group. All the links are down below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, stay safe and well.